Okay, I'm back having watched Australia demolish England yet again, and I think the joint worst defense of a World Cup, Cricket World Cup by any team. So now we're making the chicken sandwich, putting the water in. I'm going to boil the chicken. This is about. I'm sort of doing away with all that usual show the ingredients, this, that. Can't do right now, yeah. Okay, so the water, I put in 4 cloves of garlic and some ground Sgt Pepper, salt, mix it all together, shake it all around, and okay, and I'll have another drink. So by the time I come back, things could be a little, well, you know what I mean. Cheers. Okay, I'm back. I finished one drink. 4 whistles on medium, and the chicken is cooked. So now what I have to do, I think I need some tongs. Yeah. All right, it's still hot. So, oops. That's good. All right. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to shred this. So first I'm going to take it out, let it cool. So remove the chicken, let it cool off a bit, and then I'll pop it into this mixer and shred it. So take a few minutes to cool down, be back. This stock, I'm going to use it later. We'll come to that, not to throw it away yet. Alright, I'm back. Oil is heating. I'm more than slightly inebriated, but we got everything ready. So what I've done in the meanwhile is I've taken the chicken that we boiled, I put it in that mixer, and you turn that button, that knob left, I think it's a whip or whatever it's called. Yeah, I did that because I didn't want to just completely destroy them, but it's nicely shredded, as you can see. Okay, and on a medium heat, I've got the oil ready. Put the onions in first. Let them get translucent. Okay. Now I want them to get just translucent, so I'm going to add the white of the spring onion. Okay, the green part we'll do right at the end. Okay. And now garlic, not too much. Normally I'd have had more garlic and more onion, but then not a good thing in the office. No, after lunch you open your mouth and it smells. So a little bit, cook it well, we should be alright. Okay, now in go the capsicum, shimla mirch, bell pepper, along with the green chillies that I chopped earlier and put aside. Okay, now I think the capsicum, chilies, everything is nicely cooked. Time to add the chicken. And in it goes. Let's turn the heat down a minute. Mix it all. Now, one of the things my problem been with most chicken sandwiches is that they get very dry, and I've discovered that this is the solution. Remember that chicken stock that we had made in the pressure cooker, all that water left, I'm going to add it to this. I let it evaporate ultimately, but it will mean that the chicken itself will not be too dry. Okay, now we'll get it up to a boil, mix it together. And some salt, some more Sgt Pepper, not too much, a little bit, and some smoked paprika, about half a teaspoon or so. Give it all a mix again. That's why, yeah, that Lewis Carroll poem, no? Slap him if he sneezes, because he does it just to tease it, something like that, you know? Yeah, the pepper does that to me. Okay, looks like everything's nicely mixed, and so we'll put this on top. Slap him when he sneezes. He does it only because he knows it teases. And turn it off, and tomorrow or day after, whenever, put it together. Slap him when he sneezes. Good morning. Not my favorite time of day, but sandwiches have to go to the office. So here's the chicken mix that I'd made last night, or a few nights ago actually, and frozen it. So now in goes some homemade mustard. Don't get fooled by the bottle, it says Coleman, but no, it's homemade. Nice, lots of mustard gives it a good thing. So I put about 3 teaspoons, then some mustard. Sorry, I said mustard, I already put mustard. Mayo, 1 tablespoon. Here goes 1 more. And, well, about 2 tablespoons actually. And my secret ingredient in almost all these kind of things, sriracha sauce. So a nice heaped teaspoon and a little bit more. Okay, and mix it all together. And no, you can't get this. You got when I was cooking, now you don't get. That's the dog thinking it's for her, as always. But no, this is for my son. So we're all done now. It's all nicely mixed. Mustard, mayo, and sriracha sauce. Pop it onto this, and we have our sandwiches. And hey presto, terrific chicken sandwiches.